Hi there and welcome to our channel where we help you master the art of sales. So in today's video, we'll be discussing a critical aspect of sales communication, the questions you should never ask. So stay tuned to avoid these costly sales questions that could potentially jeopardize your deals. All right, let's dive into the first question. Are you free to talk? This seemingly harmless question can backfire, and we'll explore why it's essential to avoid it and provide alternative ways to initiate conversations that respect your prospect's time and preferences. Your approach can make or break the conversation, so let's get it right. On to the second question you should never ask. Can you tell me your pain points? Yes, while understanding pain points is vital, asking this question outright can lead to resistance. We'll guide you on how to uncover pain points more effectively and engage your prospect in a meaningful conversation. There are better ways to discover pain points without putting your prospect on the spot. All right, moving on to the third question. Can I ask a few questions? While you're a naturally curious person, this question can come across as intrusive. So we'll share strategies for smoothly integrating your questions into the conversation, ensuring your prospect feels comfortable sharing the information. Keep the conversation flowing naturally to build trust and rapport. Now let's talk about the fourth question you should never ask. What's your budget? While budget is truly a crucial factor, asking too soon can be off-putting. We'll explore when and how to discuss budget in a way that aligns with your prospect's buying journey. You see, timing is key, so we'll show you when to broach the budget conversation. And lastly, the fifth question, can I send you more information? While it might seem like a very polite follow-up, this question often leads to dead ends. We'll provide alternatives for nurturing prospects and keeping the conversation alive. Keep the momentum going with effective follow-up tactics. You've just learned about the 5 questions you should avoid in your sales conversations. Always remember that effective communication is about creating a meaningful dialogue that benefits both you and your prospect. That wraps up this video, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow sales professionals. And always keep refining your approach to become a sales superstar. See you in the next video.